Okay, so today we have for you a Okamoto. This is a 12x24St model. It's currently wired for 440, 460 volts, a three-phase. We got the hydraulics running right now. I'm gonna go start the grinding wheel. That's nice and quiet. We'll start the table. And stop the table. Now you have, machine can be worked manually by hand. These Okamotos really are very smooth, will not tire you out. You can work your table by hand if you choose, and also your down feed. You have to pull this out in order to be able to use things under power. Now you have to wrap it up and down, but it's not going to work if that's engaged, because they don't want that to come around and hit the operator or hit you somewhere. You don't want to be hit. Same with this. When you want to use this cross slide in and out, you have to have it pulled out. Alright, so we start the table up again. In the case of surface grinding, we want to have the saddle moving here. We have two operations we can do on here. We could do surface grinding like this right now, going back and forth to the length that these are set and the length that these dogs on the side here are set. Just for the video, we'll keep them tight together. So this is an electronic switch here. They're both electronic switches, proximity switches, and when the adjustable dog passes over it, it changes the direction. So if you have this thing now in automatic down feed mode, we're going to have down feed here at the hand wheel. Now if you want, you can have the hand wheel in so you can see better. So each time we reverse the table here, we feed right there. And that'll feed down to 0, which is coming up in a couple of more passes, or we can help it along. On the side, there's an adjustment that you can set, turn in or turn out for the amount that you feed off each time. So now we're at 0, and the feeding should stop. We go into a spark out mode. You can select on your dial here how many spark out passes you want to make, and then at the end the table comes to a stop. Then the operator has to take this off of 0 again and load a new part. Now the plunge grinding is the same, except it doesn't include the saddle. Once I start the table up, we're going to feed with this each time we go back and forth. We can also set that to well, it's going to spark out now. So it does its spark out passes and parks. When we come off of 0, we start that again. So in the other mode, you only feed on one side of your workpiece this way, so you're not feeding down quite as aggressively. And get to 0. And then we do the spark out. Okay, so you have your 5 leveling pads that go on the floor. The base of the machine has bolts with nuts that you can lock and raise and level it. You've got a coolant system here with a magnetic separator and baffles. So that's it. This is the Okamoto 1224St 3-axis automatic surface grinder. Thank you very much.